Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many of us have faced at some point. No internet connection problem. If your computer is unable to connect to the internet despite having a working network, this tutorial is here to help. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into troubleshooting, let's first determine if the issue is isolated to your computer. Check other devices such as smartphones, tablets, or other computers to see if they can connect to the internet. If they're experiencing the same issue, the problem might lie with your network or internet service provider. Restarting your router can often work wonders in resolving connectivity issues. Here's how you can do it. Locate your router and unplug its power cable. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and wait for the router to fully reboot. You can also run the network troubleshooter. Windows has a handy built-in network troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix common connectivity problems. Here's how to use it. Right-click on the network icon in your taskbar. Select Troubleshoot Problems and follow the prompts. The troubleshooter will scan for issues and suggest potential solutions. In my case, troubleshooting couldn't identify any problem because my computer has internet. Incorrect network settings can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Open the control panel and navigate to the Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings on the left side. Right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. Ensure that Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, is selected and configured for automatic IP and DNS settings. The final step in this process is to ensure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated or faulty network drivers can lead to connection problems. Here's how to update them. In the Device Manager, locate and expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your network adapter and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for updated driver software. That's it. We hope you found this guide help you to fix your internet connection problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.